Hello, sixth grade. So today we are going to go over the distance between points because this is a really easy topic that all of us can get, but a lot of us were struggling with this when we did it in class. So we should all be getting 100% on any questions that ask for the distance between 2 points. So the first thing I want you to do on the top of your page is write distance. You see this in the video? Oh, no. Distance and length are always positive. So when you're talking about distance and length, you are always going to have a positive number. Whether it's going up, down, left, or right, the distance and length are always positive. So I've drawn a coordinate grid on the board to go with question number 1. And the first question is, what is the distance between point A and point B? So what you are going to do to figure out the distance is you're going to put your pen on point A because you're going between point A and point B. Every time you have a box, you're going to hop to the next box. Draw a little rainbow. Hop. So that's 1. Hop to the next box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep hopping. 7. So the distance between point A and point B is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 little rainbows there. Okay, and then the next question says, what is the distance between point B and point C? So in order to figure out that one, again, we're going to start at B because we are going from point B to point C. And we are going to hop every time we see a box. So you put your pen or pencil on B and you hop to the next box. 1, 2, hop. 3, 4, 5. Oops, I wrote C in the wrong place. Okay, so C is actually, before we continue, I realize that C is in the wrong place on your paper. It should be at 4, -6, not at 5, -6. So cross out C, put it at 4, -6 instead of 5, -6. And then keep hopping. So I'll start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so we have 10 little rainbows, 10 hops. So the distance between point B and point C is 10. I'm sorry that I put C in the wrong place. All right, so now I'm going to erase these. And we are going to work on question number on the back, the first question on the back. I don't have a worksheet with me, but I believe that is question number 7. Question number 6, I'm sorry. We're going to go to length. So question number 6 says, what is the length of line segment AB? So in this question, point A is at 1, 2. So point A is here. Point B is at 4, 2. This is already on your paper. And it's a line segment. When we have line segments, we do the exact same thing. This is a line segment because it's a short line. It doesn't continue forever, it's just a small line. We do the exact same thing as if we're finding the distance between 2 points. We start at point A and we hop. 1, 2, 3. So the distance from point A to point B is 3. Again, this is a simple objective that everybody should be able to master. So everybody should get 100% on these problems. You guys are capable of doing really well on this. All right, so go ahead and try numbers 3, 4, and 5 on the front, and then numbers 7 and 8 on the back. And then the last thing I want to do, and remember, distance and length are always positive. And the last thing I want to do is one of the decimal multiplication problems. So we need to make sure we are doing decimal multiplication really well. So we have 45.7, 45 and 7/10 times 2 hundredths. So I line up my numbers all the way to the right and I multiply. Oh, first I'm going to say, okay, this is 1 digit behind the decimal. So 1D. This has 2 digits. So my answer will have 3 digits. So I multiply normally. I go 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 5 is 10, 11. 2 times 4 is 8. Add my 1, which is 9. Next, I would move to the right, put a 0 here, and keep multiplying. But if I multiply all these numbers by 0, I'll just end up with a row of zeros here and then a row of zeros down here, which won't change my answer at all. So I don't need to multiply zeros when I only have zeros in front. So my answer is 914, but I still need to put my decimal in. I need 3 digits behind the decimal, so 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits behind the decimal point. So my answer is 914 thousandths. All right, so go ahead and try that second decimal multiplication problem on your own as well. Good luck with the rest of this worksheet.